When your vehicle's climate control stops responding correctly, comfort quickly turns into frustration. Air stuck blowing from the wrong vents or failure to recalibrate properly are common signs of a failing HVAC actuator. This is where a genuine ACDelco replacement makes a real difference, delivering the fit, performance, and reliability your vehicle was engineered to use. As a leading manufacturer of high-quality automotive components, ACDelco is internationally recognized for its diverse range of award-winning products. Every part is designed with professional technicians in mind, using state-of-the-art technology and strict quality control to meet or exceed original equipment requirements. This HVAC component is manufactured from durable plastic materials and built specifically for vehicle-specific applications, ensuring precise operation and long-term dependability. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts undergo rigorous testing to confirm accurate calibration, smooth movement, and consistent performance once installed. Unlike lower-quality alternatives that may fail during calibration or shortly after installation, this component is engineered to communicate properly with the vehicle's control module, restoring correct airflow direction and system function. Real-world feedback highlights the difference. Vehicle owners who struggled with repeated failures from aftermarket alternatives report immediate success after switching to this ACDelco unit, with HVAC systems returning to normal operation and trouble codes cleared. This makes it an ideal solution for drivers who want a dependable fix without repeated repairs or wasted time. Designed to meet the demands of modern vehicles, ACDelco continues to modernize its products to keep pace with today's technology while maintaining OE-level quality. The result is a reliable replacement that installs cleanly, calibrates correctly, and delivers consistent comfort in all driving conditions. If you want a proven solution backed by GM standards and professional-grade engineering, this ACDelco HVAC replacement part is a smart investment. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive parts that help keep your vehicle running and feeling like new.